Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up futures on Binance. First, ensure you have a verified Binance account. If not, create one and complete the identity verification process. Next, you'll need to fund your spot wallet with a cryptocurrency like UST. Once your spot wallet is funded, transfer the desired amount to your futures wallet. This is a crucial step before you can begin trading futures. Now that your futures wallet is funded, navigate to the futures trading section on the Binance platform. You'll see various contract options. Select the one you wish to trade, for example, BTC versus UST. Before placing a trade, decide on your margin mode. Cross-margin uses your entire futures wallet balance, while isolated margin limits risk to a specific position. Choose wisely based on your strategy. With your contract selected and margin mode chosen, it's time to place a trade. First, set your leverage level. This can range from 1 to 20 times or even higher, but remember, higher leverage means higher risk. Next, decide if you want a limit order which executes at a specific price or a market order which executes immediately at the best available price. Finally, enter the amount you wish to trade. Effective risk management is key in futures trading. Always implement stop-loss orders to limit potential losses and take profit orders to secure gains automatically. Regularly monitor your open positions and the market for any significant changes. Knowing when to close a trade, whether for profit or to cut losses, is vital for long-term success. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.